Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up PPSSPP Emulator on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, we're going to download the PPSSPP Emulator on our Android phone. For that, head over to the Google Play Store, search for PPSSPP Emulator, and then download it. After installing the app, launch PPSSPP, and it will ask you to select a folder where the app's data will be stored. Simply click OK, and you'll be directed to your phone's internal storage. Here, create a new folder and name it PPSSPP. Next, tap on the Use this folder to allow the emulator to store the data button. After doing so, you'll see the main screen where your games will be displayed. Now, tap on the Browse button at the top and navigate to the folder where you've stored your PSP games. Before playing, let's check out the settings to ensure you get the best experience. In the graphics section, you'll find two rendering options, Vulkan and OpenGL. Vulkan is recommended for better performance on low-end devices, while OpenGL is ideal for higher quality on more powerful devices. Start with Vulkan, but switch to OpenGL if your device can handle it. Next is the rendering resolution setting. Higher resolutions make games look sharper, but require more processing power. Set this to 4x if your device supports 1080p, and adjust it based on performance. For the display resolution, keep it at native to match your phone's resolution. Now, VSync helps prevent screen tearing, but can lower FPS, so turn it off for smoother gameplay on lower-end devices. If your device struggles, you can enable frame skipping and start at a low value to see how it affects performance. Another important setting is buffer graphics commands. Setting this to 1 or no buffer can improve performance. Also, experiment with this option based on your device and see what suits your device best. In terms of texture filtering, switching to linear improves visuals, but requires more processing power. If you experience glitches, try enabling the low-resolution effects option. Also, turn on Show FPS Counter and Show Speed option to monitor performance. The Controls menu is another highlight of PPSSPP. Inside it, you can fully customize the touch controls, including the size and position of buttons. Also, if you use a Bluetooth controller, you can disable the touch controls altogether. In the audio menu, I recommend keeping the default settings. And as for the system menu, there are lots of options, but I don't think any changes are necessary. After you're done with it, launch a game and see how it runs. So that's basically how you can set up PPSSPP Emulator on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.